Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back. So let's continue the chapter combustion and flame. So in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the fuel, its types, the liquid, gaseous and the solid fuel, and the characteristics of fuel also. Today we are going to discuss about the calorific value or the fuel efficiency. Clear? Okay. So first of all, let's discuss something. If you are asked to boil a water, given quantity of water, and you are asked to use cow dung or coal or LPG as a fuel, so which fuel would you like, which fuel would you like to prefer? Obviously LPG, because it catches the fire very easily. Okay, so the amount of energy, means heat energy, produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called the calorific value. Means if any fuel is giving very best quality of the value, means best quality of the heat in a less amount, then it is known as the its a calorific value. This is the definition of the calorific value. And the calorific value, the unit of the calorific value is the kilojoule per kg. It's important. This is the table. There are some substances or some fuels are there, and these are their calorific values. So hydrogen has the highest calorific value amongst all these, you can see easily. Clear? Calorific value means they are giving much amount of heat and in a less time. Okay, next is the, we will do the some numerical also on the basis of the calorific value. Next is some harmful effects on the environment due to the burning of fuel. Sorry. So fuel like wood, coal, petroleum releases unburnt carbon particles which causes respiratory disorders like asthma. You know that if you are burning the wood or the coal, there is a lot of pollution also and a lot of unburnt carbon particle. Carbon particle means you must have seen the blackish powder or blackish substances produced from the burning. Next is the incomplete combustion of fuels release carbon monoxide gas, which is very harmful. Carbon monoxide symbol is CO. Carbon monoxide gas, which is very poisonous gas and which can cause the death also. Clear? Third is the burning of most fuels releases carbon dioxide gas, which causes rise in the temperature of the atmosphere, and this is called global warming. It causes melting of polar ice, rise in sea level and flooding of coastal area. This is the very important point, and it can come in for the definition also, that what is the global warming. You know that the global warming is the rise in temperature of the atmosphere of the earth. This results among other things in the melting of polar glaciers also, and it can rise the sea level, which causes the floods in the coastal areas, and low-lying coastal areas may even be permanently submerged under water. This is a very bad effect of the burning of fuel or for the global warming. So what we must have to do for the global warming, for stopping the global warming, we must use the eco-friendly fuels so that less heat is evolved and our atmosphere will become cool. Next is the burning of coal and petroleum releases oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, which dissolve in rainwater and forms acid rain, and it is harmful for crops, soil and damages buildings. And you know that acid rain also causes the skin cancer also. It damages a building. That the biggest example of the acid rain is that Taj Mahal. The yellowish of the Taj Mahal is due to the acid rain. So these are the some harmful effects of the effects on the environment due to the burning of fuel. So you must have know that what is global warming and what is acid rain. These are the two definition of this chapter. And the use of diesel and petrol as fuel in automobiles is being replaced by CNG, because CNG produces the harmful products in very small amounts, and CNG is considered as a cleaner fuel. So hope you understood about this chapter. This is all about the chapter combustion and flame. We have discussed here the combustion, combustible substances, the types of explosions, and the types of fuel, characteristics of fuel, ignition temperature, calorific value, and harmful effects on the environment due to the burning of fuel, and as well as structure of the candle flame. So in the next lecture, we will do the question answer, summary, definition, or the extra question I'll provide to you. Okay. Thank you so much.